why old houses don't have damp issues, for a number of reasons. One, usually the base or up to a meter high is made out of stone, and the reason being stone it doesn't act as a sponge for water, whereas brick and other materials like concrete blocks will act as a sponge, and what they do, it will simply absorb and soak in water from outside to inside. Plus you have cavity as well, so that separates the internal wall from the external wall. But the main thing is stones and these boulders. Having them makes a massive difference in terms of isolating water from penetrating the property. And plus, back in the days, they use this particular type of mortars, which is I'm not entirely too sure, but I know it's lime used for it, and some of the stuff. I'm sure some of the experts here on YouTube can tell us exactly what it is.